What if making hot cocoa could be your self-care moment? This hot cocoa recipe is customizable. You could add like a teaspoon of any spice that you like pumpkin spice or cinnamon, and you can use it with any milk you like. It also has no additives like the ones you'd get from the store. So let's get started. Chop your chocolate. I used 4 ounces of baker's chocolate, unsweetened. You do want to freeze your chocolate before you chop it. That way it's not going to be melting everywhere with all the small pieces. So I usually freeze mine just for about 10 minutes before chopping it. And we're going to put it in our jar. I'm using a Japanese chef's knife, and it works really good. It's definitely going to take a bit to chop this. Only chop it manually. If you got a lot of resentment to let out, just go at it. Yeah, if you were to do this in the blender, you would just put all your ingredients in there and pulse it until it's chopped very fine. I think that's fine enough. Next we add our Dutch processed cocoa powder, cornstarch, salt, and sugar. We'll see if we can shake this. The shaking's also important for somatic release. There you have it, hot chocolate mix. Two tablespoons of hot cocoa mix. All right. 8 ounces of milk. I use steamed milk from my espresso machine. You can just microwave your milk. That works too. Next is some marshmallows. This bowl has been through something, but I still like her. And I'm just gonna say shave some chocolate, extra chocolate. Cooking for yourself is self-care. Clearly, I did not heat up my milk hot enough to melt my marshmallows, but it's okay. I'll know for next time. Let's try. Still good. What are your cozy kitchen rituals? Like and subscribe for more mindful recipes.